when you shoot a cooking show at a campground, you get to deal with all sorts of uncontrollable... Oh! We are back with another fantastic meal for you. Because we love you, and we love making food for you. We are on our way out of Montana.
And on the way out, we got to stop at a harvest host. It was the Black Wolf Farm and Fiber. It's an alpaca farm. We got to stay the night there. Cade got to pet and learn about the alpacas. They have a little shop on site where they sell some of their products, and we got to purchase their farm fresh eggs, which we're using today in our recipe.
Today, we are going to be making for you some scrumptious,
amazing, delicious
venison fried rice. So let's go crank up the Blackstone. Yeah, today's meal is pretty special for us because it has a little personal component to us. One of us is a hunter, and the venison that we're going to use in our venison fried rice today was harvested by my beautiful wife.
So to get us started, I'm going to chop up the onion.
Yep, chop up the onion. I'm going to crank up the Blackstone to medium. Lucky for you, it's a breezy day, so whatever that stuff that makes you cry on the onion is probably blowing away before it gets to your eyes.
That's right. Although my onions might blow away too.
The key to good fried rice is using sesame oil to saute the vegetables and cook the rice in, because that's what's going to give it the real authentic fried rice taste. So the first thing we're going to do is throw some sesame oil down on the griddle, and then we can get going with our onions. Next we're going to add our peas and carrots and get those mixed up with the onions and get those all fried up before we add our rice. Alright, so while we wait on the veggies to cook a little bit, you want to whip the eggs, throw them on the griddle right next to the vegetables, and then do the choppy.
Awesome!
If it was a movie with Chris Farley, 100% I never saw it.
The best part about farm fresh eggs is, like, not only do they taste so much better than normal store eggs, but the yolks are just so much more rich and
vibrant in the color, and yeah. Oh gosh, every time we can get farm fresh eggs, we do. They are just so delicious.
I have to admit that growing up, whenever we got fried rice, I wasn't sure what the squiggly yellow things in the fried rice were. So it was like a long, probably embarrassingly recent, that I realized that was actually scrambled egg in the fried rice.
Yeah, I would say that maybe not the same, but I didn't have fried rice until much later into life.
Oh!
What'd you do?
And we're back. And our egg is ready, so now I can start mixing the vegetables with the egg in preparation for rice.
We are gonna put down 3 packets of Ben's long grain white rice. We keep things as simple as possible while traveling, so we're not gonna do any kind of stovetop cooking. We are just gonna use these pre-made packets that you would normally pop in the microwave, but these are going right down on the griddle.
We're gonna add just a bit more sesame oil to the rice to get it warmed up. All right, now we're gonna mix all the vegetables with the rice.
Last step to the fried rice is to add soy sauce to it.
All right, now it is time to get the venison on. So we're gonna use Blackstone's steakhouse seasoning to enhance the flavor of the meat. And this won't take very long to cook. So
yeah, it's really, really lean meat.
Exactly, it's super lean. So we're just gonna give it a quick sear on both sides. I'm gonna put just a little bit of sesame oil down. We're using butterfly backstrap for this dish today. Backstraps are one of the leanest and tastiest cuts of meat from a deer, and they're also super tender, so they make it perfect for a dish like this.
The meat just really melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, very, very, very tasty. While the backstraps are almost ready, I am going to get our green onion prepared. It's going to be the garnish on top of our dish.
The venison, I believe, is done.
All right, great.
It is time to plate and eat. I'm gonna pull the venison off and slice a couple pieces up. Throw some of those green onions on top. Are you ready to give this a try?
Absolutely.
I'm excited about this. Meat rice.
Little egg.
That is really good.
It is very, very tasty.
Tastes like fried rice that you'd get from a restaurant.
The venison has a great flavor.
Yeah, I typically get beef fried rice. Like if we order out, I'll get beef fried rice. But the venison just kind of takes it to another level. Thank you guys for joining us once again, and thank you for bearing with us through all of our craziness.
All of our outdoor
This
cooking
has
challenges.
definitely been one of the most mishappy laden meals that we have cooked. But that is not to say
We had fun.
we enjoyed it.
Our meal's delicious.
We made good food. The Blackstone did it again. So all in all, I'd say it's a good day. Make sure you visit blackstoneproducts.com to learn about everything Blackstone. Thank you for joining us on the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Check out all the shows. We know our buddy Todd is going to be all over this one because he loves him some big game. And until next time, guys, hopefully with less engine noise and less wind, we are Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.